In this video, I want to show you how to get started with your paper in the Turabian format. We're going to discuss how to create a title page, table of contents, and how to begin with the body of the paper. I'll be using Microsoft Office 2016 on a PC. So if you're using older versions of Word or a Mac computer, the setup may look somewhat different. In the description for this video, I'll post basic instructions for setting up a paper with a Mac computer. The first step is to select a standard font, such as Calibri or Times New Roman, and you want to make the font 12 point. You want to use the 12-point font throughout the paper. Now you want to make sure that the paper is double spaced. To do so, you want to click on the arrow beside paragraph. Under spacing, you want to change it from multiple to double space and press OK. On the title page, you want to create a 2-inch margin at the top. To do so, you'll click on Layout, then click on Margins, click on Custom Margins, and for the top margin you want to make this 2, and press OK. Now you can begin typing out the title page. Make sure that you have center alignment set up and that you have your caps lock on. You need to write out the name of your school, and then you need to make 4 carriage returns and write the name of the paper. To make sure that you got enough spaces, you can always click the Show Hide button, and this shows you that you've made 4 hard carriage returns. Now you can write the title of the paper, and again you want to make 4 carriage returns. Now you'll write the attribution. Notice as I write this how I add a carriage return. On the first line, you want to write a paper submitted to, and then you want to write the name of your instructor. On the third line, you'll write impartial fulfillment of the. On the fourth line, requirements for the course. And on the fifth line, you write out the name of the course. Now you need to make 2 carriage returns, and you write by, another carriage return, write your name, another carriage return, and you'll write the date. When you write out the date, you first want to write the number of the day of the month, write out the full month, then write out the year, and now you've successfully created a title page. The table of contents will have a different formatting, so we're going to insert a section break. This will allow us to change the margins and the page number. With your cursor at the end of the title page, you want to click on Layout and Breaks and Next Page. And now that we're on the table of contents, you need to change the margins again so that it's 1-inch margins. Click on Margins and click on Normal. Now you can begin by typing out your table of contents. The table of contents is generally used to navigate longer papers divided by chapters. For shorter papers without chapters, the table of contents is optional. You should, however, consult with your professor to see if they want you to include a table of contents. Begin by center aligning the text. Make sure that the bold is turned on and write contents, making sure that you only capitalize the first word. Do a carriage return, and then you want to type out the first chapter or section heading. And then tab all the way to the end of that page and write the number where that chapter begins. Do a carriage return, and then write the title of the second section or chapter. And again, write out the page number. Make sure that the page number is all the way at the end of the line where the chapter is. Once you're done with this, you'll need to add a Roman numerals in the footer with a Roman numeral 2. You want to double click on the footer and then go to Home. Make sure that you have the page center aligned and type a 2 in lowercase Roman numerals. Then you want to click somewhere in the table of contents, and we're going to insert a third page that will begin the body of the paper. Again, click on Layout, click on Breaks, and Next Page. Now you need to add page numbers, being sure that the first page of the body of the paper is page 1. So what you want to do is click on the header. Now click on page number, top of the page, and then you want to select plain number 3. This inserts a page number at the top. Beginning on this page and every other page, you will have page numbers. Now you have to reset the page numbers because it actually begins numbering from the title page. To do so, you want to highlight the number and then click on the link to previous, and what this does, this unlinks this section from the previous section. Go back to page number, click on Format Page Numbers, click on Numbering, and start at 1, press OK, and now click in the body of the third page. You may want to go back and check and make sure that other pages are not numbered. If they are numbered, all you have to do is click on them and click backspace to delete the page number, and the page number should be deleted from the title page and the table of contents. Now you're ready to get started typing your paper. For the first level header, you want to center a line and make sure the bold button is checked. Now you want to type the first section or chapter, being sure to capitalize the word, not use all caps. Do a carriage return, make it left aligned, and tab to indent, and you're ready to start typing your paper. So I hope this helps you in starting your paper in Turabian style. Thanks for watching.